You know, they say that slow cooked food is always the best taste, you know, gives the best taste. In marketing terms, if we say that gradual growth is always, you know, beneficial for any brand or for any company. So I want to know from you, ki, what do you believe in? Gradual growth is fast-paced dunya mein gradual growth is what you go for, or you also believe that fast growth should also be, you know, what are the benefits of each?
So if someone can give me fast growth, I might take it, right? But
Yeah.
it comes at a cost, and it comes, only when you have a certain financial muscle, to be really honest.
Yeah.
I'll just give you an example of the Dream 11 ad for this IPL, right? You name it, and that cricketer is there. You have Amir Khan, you have Ranbir Kapoor, right?
Everybody,
So now
yeah.
that ad is going to take over social media, right?
Yes.
Or you look at Dhoni and Animal collaboration, right? That's going to take up on social media. But the thing is, does a brand really have that muscle, that financial muscle, right? So what happens is, normally brands would want a growth at a certain pace. पर आपके लिए ये भी जानना ज़रूरी है कि अगर आप कहेंगे कि मुझे एक महीने में 1 लाख फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, या मुझे 1:15 का रिटर्न ऑन एड स्पेंड चाहिए, तो आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड क्या है, कितना पॉसिबल है, क्या पॉसिबल नहीं है, किस लेवल की ब्रांड, किस स्केल की ब्रांड क्या अचीव कर सकती है, क्या अचीव नहीं कर सकती है, राइट?
True that.
So I think for most brands, see, if I talk about, if I keep aside some of the top brands, like Cred spends a lot of money during IPL campaigns.
Yes.
They have some of the biggest stars again. Dream 11 likewise. You have a handful of those, right?
Yes.
But for other brands, what is really important is to create a roadmap. Say कि यार, okay, this is what is possible with the scale that we are at, with the budget that we are going to spend, and we have to ensure कि यार इसको हम beat करें, correct?
Yeah.
And इसके लिए देखिए, these days you have a lot of data also available, right? So what is my competitor doing in terms of marketing spends, in terms of turnover, in terms of their business growth, right? तो आप उन चीज़ों को भी study करके एक अपना realistic vision build कर सकते हैं.